What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video today. Finally, today is the day I'm picking up my Chevy from the shop, getting the console built. It has been a long journey. It's been like a month, and I'm glad to have it back, coming back to the house and let y'all see the new console that we're gonna get built for it. Well, that has been built. I've seen like some, pictures and some more videos and stuff, but we actually gonna get to look at it firsthand, up close and personal with y'all, and yeah, let y'all see it. But right now, we finna go in here and grab some food. And once I grab this food, he said it's gonna take him like, we get front row parking. He said it's gonna take him like 10-15 minutes to get it wrapped up, and then we're about to eat. So run in here real quick, and then we're gonna head over there and pick this car up, show y'all the console. We're gonna catch up. What kind of catch up? What'd you get?
Shrimp soup.
Shrimp soup and a giant quesadilla for such a small baby. I got a shrimp burrito. Where at? What is this? El Sabor de la Baja? Right off. Yeah. El Sabor de la Baja. We decided to come and get something to eat while we wait to pick up this car. But anyway, show y'all that lunch. And then we got to go pick up this car because I got to get back to work. So we're about to enjoy this lunch and then go grab the car and get back to it. Hopefully they, gosh, why these roads be so bad? Where they at? I'm telling you, these little areas around here, they got so much potential.
Yeah, overpriced as shit.
They are overpriced.
Like there's a house. Why? That would never sell. That would have to sell commercial.
Yeah, that's probably why they ain't trying to sell it. Pull up here and see, man, they got so many projects out here. And that's the crazy part, is they just be in and out, in and out. It's gotta be me though, eventually. Jump off into my own thing and make it happen. Got a 300. Look how many G-bodies they got. They got one Monte Carlo, two Monte Carlos, a Cutlass, two Cutlasses. All right, let me go in here and check on and see what's going on. And look like they still messing with it, so we're gonna see. Well, ran into some wiring issues, so he's just gonna bring it to me today, which is cool. So, shit happens. That's part of the car business. I ain't too much worried about it as long as I get my whip back today. So they're gonna bring it out there to me, and then we just gonna keep going. Turn right, and then get this all lit up for y'all and show y'all how it looks. So it's been a process getting this console built, like everything with this car. I'm telling you, this car has fought me every step of the way since I got it. I don't know why. The black one is just like smooth sailing. I think
mine.
Is that what it is?
It's mine.
It's fought me every step of the way, and I'm telling you, I'm just trying to figure it out. But it's getting easier, so we'll get it back today and show y'all this console. The console looks good. He did a good job with it. He took my vision, turn left. He took my vision of simplistic and clean and brought it to life, because that's what I wanted. But just a little custom touch, but real simple and clean at the same time. So once he gets all the wiring figured out and tucked away and brought back, we'll show y'all. So yeah, that's where we are. So we finally got the car back. Due to, some complications with them running behind schedule, he actually brought the car to me, which is super cool, man. I'm very, very appreciative of that, so I didn't have to drive back to the north side to get my car. But, man, this console looks really, really good. He did a good job with it. I'm gonna show y'all the console, and y'all let me know what y'all think. We did the console. Perfect match. Perfect match to the interior. So what's crazy is, like, it's perfect match. He built a custom spot here for the gauges. All of the LED panels, which this spot we gotta go get fixed. So he's supposed to rewrap this side. But if y'all look at it, we got the mesh netting down there. All this lights up at night, so I said that's the only spot right here, but I wasn't too much worried about it. So I was like, no big deal, we can fix it in due time. Which dude is super cool, so I know he'll probably handle it for me. Yeah, so it's got backlit LEDs here, my toggle switches, LED inside the shifter hole. I didn't do the backlit cup holders, man, because they always break, so I didn't go that route. See if y'all can see the deck. We did the deck the same way. Everything LED backlit inside the car. Let's see if y'all can see it. Perfect match on the color. They killed it, man. Well, so now, like I said, that all the major stuff with this car is done, minus, you know, we're gonna take care of fixing the floors, which I'm gonna do that myself. All the other stuff, definitely gonna have to restripe this side because for some reason the paint's coming off of this stripe kit right there. Suspension's done, console's in. Only thing I may do other than this thing is put a set of Dakota digital gauges in it and maybe a different steering wheel because that one's worn out. I may put the Forever Sharp wheel in there because, I mean, it's the only one I can find really that kind of looks decent. I actually got another Forever Sharp steering wheel, brand new with the collar for like 50 bucks. I'm gonna put in the black one that I got off of Guy Marketplace. So yeah, y'all see it, man. Okay, let me know what y'all think about the console. I'm just glad to have my car back, honestly, but y'all let me know what y'all think about the console. I'm actually, man, so what's so crazy about me, man, is it's hard to trust people, but these are good dudes. But you know, I'm just using my little camera, checking everything, making sure everything's hooked up correctly and ain't pissing oil out of that oil pressure gauge. So, you know, can never be too safe. Yeah, we got the little charging port right there so I can hook my iPhone, all that other good stuff up right there. What y'all think? I think they did a good job, man. I think everything with this car is coming together. We still got to get the doors adjusted, get some little paint touch-up stuff done. But overall, this is a really clean driver now from where I got it. And if y'all been watching the channel from the beginning, from the paint disasters to the damn everything going on with this car, this car has literally fought me every step of the way. But man, like I said, I'm just gonna stay persistent. Persistent is key, and we're gonna get it where we need it to be, man, and just enjoy it all summer. And that's what I plan on doing before we put it back in the lab this winter time and remix it just a little bit, not a lot, because I think this is one of the cleanest G bodies in the state of Oklahoma. I've seen a couple cleaner than this one, but those are the dudes that just pissing money at them. But if you want to talk about budget, built this thing, 90% of the work myself, minus the paint. This is it right here. I've seen a few other ones, man, in Oklahoma that are better than this one, and those guys just went from shop to shop basically. But I'm not doing that. We done with shops on all my cars from now on. We may get another console built, but other than that, all the work will be done by me, period, on every last one of my cars. What y'all think? Give y'all one more look. Y'all think of the console. But yeah, that's it for this video, man. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff, man. We almost at 2,000 subs. Once we get there, man, it's gonna be greatly appreciated, man. So we'll catch y'all in the next video.